In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack on all devices. This is a great way to secure your account, especially if you've used Slack on a shared computer, misplaced a phone, or just want a clean slate across all your devices. We'll walk through the exact path inside Slack's desktop or web app and finish with the confirmation in your account settings. Start by opening Slack on your computer, either in the desktop app or in a browser. You can be in any channel. The important part is the lower left corner of the Slack window. That's where your profile area lives. You'll see your avatar and name there. Click your profile to open your profile panel. This brings up a sidebar with details about you and some quick actions. On that panel, look to the top right area for the three dots icon. That's the More Actions menu. Click the three dots, then choose Account Settings. Slack may open your workspace account settings in a new browser tab. If it does, that's expected. Just follow along in the tab that appears. On the Account Settings page, scroll until you find the section related to sign out or device sessions. This area typically shows your active sessions and gives you the option to end them. What we're looking for is the control labeled Sign Out of All Other Sessions. This action will keep you signed in on the device you're currently using and log you out everywhere else, other computers, other browsers, and mobile devices connected to this account. Go ahead and click Sign Out of All Other Sessions. For security, Slack will prompt you to confirm your identity. Enter your account password to proceed. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow the prompts you see to verify. Take your time and make sure you enter the correct details. A password manager can help avoid typos. After confirming, click the button to sign out all other sessions again to finalize. You should see a confirmation that the sign-outs were successful. From this point on, those other devices will require a fresh sign-in the next time someone tries to open your workspace. That's exactly what we want. Your account stays protected, and only this current session remains active. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. This process ends sessions but doesn't change your password. If you triggered this because of a security concern, consider updating your password afterward and reviewing any connected apps in your account settings. And remember, if you ever need to sign out of your current device too, you can do that later from Slack's Profile or App menu. That's it. Your Slack account is now signed out across all other devices.